talks about some fateful day, and I guess that this was mine. I may be here to tell some kind of story, but I think it's gonna take a little time. That's alright. See, I'm rocking in a cradle down a hole somewhere, and I am lost inside a dream. Maybe I am falling, maybe I am flying, but I know if I am crying, she's holding me. And then the sky broke up and then the rain came down and it washed away everything on the ground. Wash it away, wash it away, wash it away. Got that bottle filled with lightning and rain. She keeps calling out for someone, but she's riding on a train, riding on a ghost train. But she keeps on riding. She's gonna keep on riding. Mama, keep on riding. Some leave in the afternoon. Some trains they leave here right on time. Some they just leave too soon, way too soon. Gonna keep on. Got that bottle filled with lightning and rain. He keeps calling out for someone, but she's riding on a train, riding on the ghost train. Yeah, she keeps on riding. And then the rain came down and washed away everything. She keeps on